Hi everybody. In this video, I am going to do a quick word problem. This is really just kind of like the part two of the 1.5 lesson notes. So this is really our third example. And I do want you to write this problem down. So you are going on a road trip. Woo. I love road trips. You travel at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. Make a table of hours spent driving in relation to the miles traveled. Okay, so essentially what they're trying to have us do, we're going to create a table relating the hours spent driving. So I'm going to have that be H. That's our hours driving. And then if we've been driving how many hours, how many miles have we driven? How many miles have we traveled? So we will have that be M. So this is M of H, the miles in relation to the number of hours we have driven. So if we have driven 0 hours, we're going at a speed of 60 miles per hour. So 60 times 0, that gives us just 0. So if we have driven, or sorry, yeah, driven 0 hours, we have gone 0 miles. After 1 hour, multiplying our speed, 60 times 1, we have now gone 60 miles. If we've gone or driven 2 hours, multiply our speed, 60 times 2, and that gives us 120 miles. After 3 hours, multiply our speed, 60 times 3. I don't know why I want to change colors. And that is 180 miles. Hopefully you're seeing a pattern here, right? We're multiplying by 60 each time, or adding on 60 each time. What if we have driven 10 hours? We multiply 60 times 10. We have gone 600 miles. And this is really assuming we haven't stopped. So this is M of 10, the miles we have driven after 10 hours. I could write an equation for this. If I wanted to know what M of H is as an equation, I could write it in terms of M times H instead of X plus B, where M is our slope, this lowercase m is our slope, and B is our y-intercept. Now our y-intercept, where we begin here, M of 0, or when we've driven 0 hours, we have gone 0 miles. So that's just essentially plus 0. So the equation for this is so easy. M of H is equal to 60 times H. You just take the number of hours you've driven, you multiply it times 60. That is our slope here. Our slope is 60 because we're adding 60 each hour we drive. So M of H is equal to 60H. h. If I wanted to graph this, remember graphs are really in terms of x and y, especially like graphing calculators. We can just switch this. I could make this f of x is equal to 60x. These are representing similar relationships. They just have different names. We're just calling them by different names using different variables to represent the same sort of relationship. Please let me know what questions you have on this section. I look forward to seeing you in class.